discover how solar can revolutionize your home. Power of the sun to transform your energy consumption. Imagine never worrying about high electricity bills again. Solar technology allows you to generate your own clean and renewable energy, reducing your dependence on the grid. Not only does this benefit the environment, but it also puts money back into your pocket. By investing in solar, you can significantly cut down on your carbon footprint while enjoying the financial savings. Upgrade your home with the transformative power of solar technology and start paving the way to a greener and more sustainable future.